Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your muted notifications in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. Here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we follow. Here we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here we can tap on privacy and safety. And then if we scroll down a bit, we find mute and block. If we tap on this, at the bottom of the list, we find muted notifications. And here we can just tick the checkbox that we want to, that represent the kind of notifications that we want to be muted. So for example, if we tap on you don't follow, then we mute the notifications from the people that we don't follow. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.